Strategic thinkers are the most valuable assets in business today. Companies with strategic thinkers outperform their competition by 80%. The modern economy is a battlefield, and only the sharpest minds survive. Strategic thinking combines creativity and analysis. It allows leaders to anticipate market changes and adapt swiftly. In a world where trends can shift overnight, agility is key. But here's the kicker. Most businesses fail to harness this power. Consider the rise of tech startups that disrupt traditional industries. Their secret? A deep understanding of strategic foresight. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. This insight gives them an edge, paving the way for innovation and growth. Many entrepreneurs focus solely on execution. They overlook the importance of strategy. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. If you want to thrive, you need to elevate your strategic game. With strategic thinking, you can turn data into actionable insights. It's about connecting the dots. Analyzing competitors isn't just for spying, it's for learning. Recognizing their moves can inspire your next big idea. The key moment? Strategic thinkers can pivot faster than their competition. In business, being first to adapt can mean the difference between success and failure. Companies that embrace this mindset can seize market share in the blink of an eye. Final revelation. Those who master strategic thinking will not just survive, they will lead the charge in innovation. Are you ready to step up your game and join the ranks of the elite?